Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Your 401k is a crucial part of your financial future, and it shouldn't just sit there forgotten. Over time, your life changes, your financial goals evolve, and so should your investment strategy. Knowing how to adjust your investments within your Fidelity 401k is really important, helping you stay on track toward a comfortable retirement. It's a simple process, and we'll walk you through each step, making sure your money is working as hard as possible for you. To begin, open your web browser and go directly to the Fidelity Investments website. Once there, you'll need to log in using your personal username and the password you've set up. After successfully logging in, look for your specific 401k retirement plan, which is usually prominently displayed on your main dashboard or under a section like Accounts and Trade. This is your gateway to managing your investment options within the plan. Once you're in your 401k dashboard, look for a section labeled something like Change Investments or Investment Choices. This area will show you all the funds available within your specific plan. Take some time to review each option, paying attention to its investment objective, historical performance, and especially its risk level. Fidelity usually offers detailed descriptions and tools to help you understand what each fund does, which is incredibly helpful. After deciding on the funds that best suit your strategy, it's time to make the actual change. You'll typically enter the percentage you wish to allocate to each chosen fund, ensuring the total adds up to 100%. You might be reallocating existing funds or simply adjusting future contributions. Before you finalize anything, always take a moment to carefully review all your selections. Double-checking ensures everything is exactly as you intend. Then you can submit. After submitting your changes, Fidelity will usually send you a confirmation, either by email or through a message in your account. It's a good idea to save this for your records. Remember, investing is an ongoing process, so continue to monitor your 401k periodically. Your financial situation and the market can change, making regular reviews important. Aim to check in at least once a year or after any significant life event. This ensures your retirement savings stay on the right track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.